All you have to do is send me 1 rupee. What is 1 rupee? In Singapore, imagine it's $1. 1 rupee in Indian currency. That's what he asked for. Just saying that, like a $1 in your own country, in your own currency, this man offered to help for 1 rupee. What was he helping about? He has a plan that has worked well for him. He has learned over his lifetime that if you keep to a habit for 30 days, it will become part and parcel of your life. Who is this man? He's the one I've written above, Ajay Ghosh. Who is Ajay Ghosh? He is from West Bengal, India, teaching English to students in his village. I met Ajay through a Toastmaster friend of mine. She introduced him to me, and I just wanted to know who was this man willing to share his knowledge for just 1 rupee. When I first met him, I told him, "You are not an ordinary man." Why? Number one, you have a desire to help others. Number two, you are charging a minimum rate, and the rate you are charging is only for one reason, to ensure there is a commitment. You could have asked for more, much more for many people out there. In addition, he does a workshop or let's say an educational session at least twice a week for all those who are becoming his so-called disciples. I wanted to learn from him what does it mean to follow his system. Round one for 30 days. 30 days doesn't mean that you must do it every day. In case you're not well or have too much work or something unfortunate happens, you can take a break. You can take a break up to 5 days. But by the 30th day that you have destined, that you have planned, you must complete that habit. And only then you go to round two, three, four, five, six. What I liked about this gentleman was his firm and fervent desire to help others. His wish to help others is so strong that he is taking a lot of personal time off. I request all of you watch this man. I shall put his contact number. If you can contact this guy and ask him what he is doing, you will be amazed. He has said that there have been people who have succeeded so much by following his program. Program is very simple. Start each day by 2 minutes. Next day, increase it by 4 minutes until your target time. For example, if it's to exercise, day one, you exercise for 2 minutes. Day two, you exercise for 4 minutes, all the way until whatever time you say. In my case, it was for half an hour, and I exceeded the half hour already. But I'm still going on with this program because I find I need to commit and dedicated some time to this man who has his plan and is desirous of helping others. Life is full of learning experiences, no matter who you are, whether you are 26 or 56. There's always time for you to learn something new. I've learned something new from you. And my request today is that you also look for Ajay Ghosh. If you have the time, find out what he's doing, and maybe he can help you become a better person. With that, I end today's session. I shall be back again. Have a wonderful day ahead. The best is yet to be.